Come around. Hi, we're in the family kitchen. We're going to make some yogurt today. It's going to be really useful for our GCSEs because we need to know how to make yogurt for GCSE. I'm just going to grab our little sachet. We're joined by Hannah today. Say hello, Hannah. Say hello. Look at the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's it. Very good. Okay. So well done. It's pretty simple to make handmade yogurt. What we're going to use is we're going to use whole milk. We're going to use UHT whole milk. Really easy. And we're going to use this. This is a sachet of bacteria. It's really important bacteria.
Really funny words.
Yeah, really funny words. Okay, Hannah, you're going to read out. It's really tiny letters. It's really difficult. Really tiny.
Lactobacillus.
Lactobacillus.
Bulgaricus.
Yep.
Streptococcus.
Streptococcus.
Thermophilus.
That's it. That's absolutely right. Okay, so we're going to get cracking on this. Yogurt is really simple. It is basically just, in a sense, fermented milk. What we're going to do is we're going to take this whole milk, and we're using UHT milk. UHT tastes a little bit different from normal.
It doesn't taste. It smells.
It smells a little different from normal milk, which is fine. If you're a UHT milk person, that's cool. We still love you. That's okay. We're using this because it is sterile. So, she says, as another child comes into the room. It's sterile, which means it doesn't have any bacteria living in it at the moment. It has been heated up to about 89 degrees C and then cooled down, and it's got no bacteria alive in it, which is really useful because we don't want other bacteria to be alive and spoil our yogurt. So in it goes. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. Unfortunately, we have more than one child. Fortunately, and one of them is currently doing something with a balloon, which he's going to stop now, isn't he? Thank you. Okay, so that's it. Hannah, can you take this sachet of bacteria and shake them all into there? You can rip it. There's a little rip. Go around, and it's got to go into our yogurt machine here. That's it. Well done. Now, of course, it's no longer sterile, this, because I've put it into a non-sterile pot, but that's fine. It's got enough of a head start now. These new bacteria that we're putting in two species, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. No, each species has two words associated with it. Oh, I see. And now they will have plenty of a head start on any other bacteria that may be in this yogurt pot. So that is fine and dandy, and essentially we're incubating those bacteria in this milk. The milk is going to be their food. Now, in particular, they are going to do anaerobic respiration, Hannah. Anaerobic respiration. And bacteria, when they do anaerobic respiration, they make lactic acid. That's going to make our yogurt a bit acidic. And as it does that, the proteins of that yogurt are going to denature, they're going to congeal as well, and that's going to give yogurt its kind of congealed texture, the texture we all know and love if we love yogurt. I don't know that everyone loves yogurt. You don't love yogurt. What about yogurt? With a bit of sugar, it's alright, isn't it? It's alright with a bit of sugar. What about a fruit?
I love fruits.
You love fruits, yeah. If you happen to be watching from the people who make fruits and want to send us lots of fruits, that's also cool. No products were actually placed in this video. Okay. And that's kind of it. So what we're going to do now is we are going to get our machine, we're going to switch it on, and I'll come back to it in a little bit. Right. So set 42 degrees C, that's great. That's going to incubate. It's a good temperature for these bacteria to be incubating at. It's going to be good for their enzymes. Right, we're turning that on. 8 hours, it says. We're going to put a lid on it. There we go, that's one lid. That's another lid as well. Brilliant.
So you need to put 2 lids.
2 lids. 2 lids. Unbelievable. Okay, we'll have a look at it in 8 hours' time, or maybe tomorrow morning. Good morning. Well, we've been leaving it for, well, I tried it last night. It went for 8 hours, and 8 hours wasn't enough. It was still really liquidy and milky. I haven't had a look yet this morning. Say hello, girls. It's been going now for 16 hours. Let's see how it does after 16 hours. Okay, lid off. Lid off. Let's bring it over here. Okay, girls. So we've had 2 cultures of bacteria in here, Lactobacillus, bacillus, I say bacillus just so that you write a C, bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Here we go, out it comes, out it comes. Okay, right, now we've got to start filming down here and have a look inside. We're going to bend that down. And you see, we've got a bit of a layer on there, haven't we? A bit of a layer. Yeah, that's firmed up. So what's happened there is, oh girls, do you want to get a spoon out and try it out? Get a little bowl. You're good, you're all right, are you? Get a little bowl. Here we go. Yeah. I'll scoop some out for you. So, the Lactobacillus and the Streptococcus, they have produced lactic acid, and that has caused our milk proteins, our caseins and casinogens, to firm up, to denature and firm up. Have a little taste.
I'm good.
You're good. You like it with sugar, don't you? What's that like, Phoebes?
Yeah.
Oh! And we'll take that. Brilliant. Bye. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bulgaricus.
Bulgaricus. That's it. Try again.
Bulgaricus.
Good. Stir. Streptococcus. Try again. Streptococcus. What's the last word? Streptococcus. Thermophilus. Say them all.
Lactobacillus.
Yes.
Bulgaricus.
Bulgaricus.
I said bulgaricus.
Bulgaricus, yeah.
So Lactobacillus, bulgaricus.
Yeah.
Streptococcus.
Streptococcus.
Lactobacillus.
Bulgaricus.
Bulgaricus.
Like from Bulgaria.
Streptococcus. Thermophilus.
What's the last 2 letters? I know it's really small.
Thermophilus.
Thermophilus, yeah, that's it. Okay.